So just walking along here in Walking Street, Lai, and I've tried some other eating places along the way, but I just discovered that one there that I just filmed. Without doubt, the best eating experience that I've had here in Lai. Fantastic food and a fantastic instruction, personal attention by the waitress that I had on how to assemble and eat the food. Amazing. Flavour's incredible. Everything I've heard about Vietnam food, I experienced right there. I recommend it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Open and use spoon.
Yep.
Put fish inside.
Okay.
You only inside.
Only on the
Yeah.
inside.
Cut and eat.
Cut it into portions.
This one.
And just eat it straight from the leaf.
Yeah. Step by step.
Okay.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.